convert horsepower to watt, horsepower to kilowatt, watt to horsepower, and kilowatt to horsepower. So let's get started. First, let's understand the basic terms. See, horsepower, which is also known as HP, is a unit of measurement of power or the rate at which work is done, usually in reference to the output power of engines or motors. Watts and kilowatts are also units of power commonly used in the electrical and mechanical worlds. Let's start with converting HP to watts. To go from HP to watt, remember that 1 horsepower equals 746 watts. For instance, if you have a 2 HP motor and you want to know the power in watts, then just multiply 2 HP by 746. That gives you 1492 watts. Similarly, if you have 5 HP motor, then just multiply 5 HP by 746 and by that you will get 3730 watt. Answer. So now we know that how to convert horsepower to watt. Now let's learn how to convert horsepower into kilowatt. See, if you want to convert horsepower into kilowatt, then just multiply horsepower with 0.746. You will get your answer. For this, just imagine you have a 7 HP motor. To change this to kilowatt, multiply 7 HP by 0.746. Then you will get 5.2 kilowatt. Let's look at one more example. Suppose you have a 3 HP motor and you want to know the power rating in kilowatt. Then you just need to multiply 3 HP with 0.746. You will get 2.2 kilowatt answer. It is so easy na? So remember, to convert horsepower to watt, you just need to multiply by 746. And to convert horsepower into kilowatt, we just need to multiply by 0.746. Now let's reverse the process and learn how to convert watts to horsepower. Suppose you have a device using 1500 watts of power. To find the equivalent horsepower, divide 1500 by 746. You will get approximately 2 HP. So to convert watt into horsepower, you just need to divide the watt rating by 746. If you want to convert kilowatt rating into horsepower, then you need to divide the kilowatt rating by 0.746. For example, consider a machine with a power rating of 3.5 kilowatt. To find the horsepower, divide 3.5 by 0.746, resulting in roughly 4.7 HP. And that's it. You have learned how to convert horsepower to watts and kilowatts, and you have also figured out how to reverse the process and convert watt into HP and kilowatt into HP. If this video has been helpful, give it a like to this video